Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect this SSD to this phone and how to move the photos or videos from SSD to your phone. Okay, so this is my portable Samsung SSD. So let me show you how to connect this one. So with the help of this cable we can easily connect. This is a C type cable. So first I am opening, I already opened the Files app on this device, and first connect this to your phone. And the other end you need to connect to your SSD. After connect, you can see a blue light, and just wait for a few seconds. You can see the name of the device. You can see here. Yeah, you can see. Okay, now tap on this one, so you can see all the files from the SSD. You can see here. So let me show you. Now I am going to copy some photos from this SSD to my phone. For this, select the photos. If you want to select multiple photos, tap on the three dots on the top right side. You can see. Tap on three dots on the top right side. Tap on select. And you have to select your photos that you want to move or copy. Okay. Now tap on the tick symbol. First of all, you need to select the photos or videos that you want to move. So if you want to select the multiple photos, tap on the three dots on the top right side and tap on select. Then select the photos that you want to move. Tap on the share button on the bottom left side. Tap on copy. Now go back. Now this is the main page of the file application on your device, and tap on the option on my iPhone. Tap on this one and press and hold at the blank area of the home screen. The blank area. Tap on paste. So you can see all the photos you can see here. So simply in this way we can move or copy the files from the SSD to your device, and in this way you can connect this SSD to your device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.